My name is Carolyn, and today I am going to show you how to draw a little chick coming out of its shell. So spring is coming up, so I thought this would be a fun drawing video to do for spring. So what you're going to need is, you're going to need some paper. You're also going to need a Sharpie or a pencil, and then just two colors. You're going to use yellow and orange. All right, let's get started. So I am going to start with the shell. So we're going to do a zigzag line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do a curved line to connect it, and this is going to be the shell that's cracked open. To add a little bit of texture to this, I like to do a few lines like doop doop, and maybe a couple lines over here, just like that. All right, now let's draw the baby chick's head coming out of the shell. I'm gonna start about right here, and then I'm gonna go up. Go 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna go down like that. And I'm gonna just draw a line like that and a curve for one eye, and then I'm gonna draw the other eye. Now I'm going to draw the beak, and how I do that is I draw a curved line here, and then a V. So a curve and a V. And to add a little bit of texture to the chick, I do some lines here too. Some lines here, and a few little lines here. Now I'm going to color. So I'm going to start with yellow. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. If you want to watch some more videos, you can go to my channel and please subscribe. Bye!